Oh my. Today I just received my acrylic markers. Time to open this, yeah! Yeah, we opened the wrap around this, so let's actually just open this to find out. Ooh, damn! There's a bunch of colors. Oh, that's sick, hold on. Alright, let's open this thing up now, so bada bing, bada bada bada. The thing is, I haven't used acrylic markers yet, so this is going to be a new medium that I would have to learn. Especially how I'm stuck with color pencils. Yeah. Cool. Oh, we have to do all 80 of these. I just really want to review it tonight, and then probably another day we'll actually use these acrylic markers, because this is my first time using it, you know? So this is really fun. So I think I may have done a mistake. This was a B9 acrylic marker. I accidentally put an R5. But the thing is, the good news is you can layer over it. So let's see how that goes. Alright, so this is R5. We're gonna use it, overlay, and oh wait, I forgot to shake it. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. The color probably changed a bit, but that's so cool. I think I did it wrong. Either way. Oh no, I did it right. I just forgot to shake it. I'm so dumb. That's the only thing that... We still have this section to go left. And we finished! Oh my gosh! We did it! We did it! Now that we completed this, we have to find a reference for our new sketch using these acrylic markers. So tomorrow I'm gonna find a reference so I can start sketching and then use these acrylic markers to finally color it. So it's currently the next day. Not really. But we have to now start off our new sketch. I found the perfect reference. This is the reference I'm going to be using. But first I have to sketch the whole thing out before we actually use the markers. Right now, I just completed the quick sketch of it, but now I'm going to refine the artwork. Finally finished our sketch.
What the hell?
Yeah. Now this is the final sketch we're gonna use for our enemy markers. It doesn't really look done, but this is the way I sketch all my drawings. Currently, I did some coloring off stream, but like, well, not recording. But I'm gonna try to spice up some colors. You know, it might not look the same as the reference, but otherwise, you know, it's gonna be fun, just exploring the colors and all. In my bed because I've been working on it for a bit, so I'll do one final push to finish this drawing off, but I need that. Currently recording this on my iPhone right now, and I have no clue why my mic isn't working. But overall, the acrylic markers is one of the craziest mediums I've ever tried, especially how you can like put layers basically over the colors. Like, it's really crazy, honestly. I really enjoyed the experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.